This is a 1980 Isuzu RV work wagon or mobile home. It has a self-contained generator. It's 40 feet long. It has approximately 3,000 miles on the engine, and can be used as a mobile home or as a workstation or a party van. It does have rear seating and fold-out futon, brand new. It also has a desk. It also has lots of cabinetry in it, hardwood cabinetry. It has a shower. It has a brand new porta potty in it. It also has futon in the front, plus 2 additional seats in the living room and additional table. It has 2 air conditioning units plus all the lights that work off the generator. And this is the back room with the back window. It's 40 feet long. It could be used for a party bus, mobile home, or RV work site. The asking price is $9,000. It has approximately 3,000 miles total on the engine, and has approximately 96 hours on the generator. It is a self-contained unit.